Okay, I'm making slime, trying to, but I want you to watch this video before you do anything. And what I'm making it is regular school glue, detergent, a little bit of water, and I made some more paleo yoga that I had this morning. Yeah, and then I'm gonna try to make this out of all the stuff. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm just gonna try this. So I'm gonna turn it over your skin like that. So you'll see better. Down. There you go. You'll see better. Your arms, your circle. So, I'll show you how to do this. Okay. There's more. Alright. Yes, you always have to because if I hold you up straight or sideways, it's probably not going to work. I'm just going to do you guys on the side. You can see this side. There you go. Just hold you guys up. Okay. Got my glue. I'm going to add some glue in here. Okay. There's a lot in the bottom. Add the glue in there so it gets everywhere. Make sure spread it out everywhere. Baking soda. So there you go. So the bottom is going to be right there. That's nice. So, here's the glue. And add it all in the bottom. Not on the whole bottom, so like that. Right as I do not know if this is going to work, so watch the video before you make this. And I got much glue, so I'm not getting myself. I had to squeeze out. I'm not covering up the entire bottom, just spreading it out everywhere. If you have enough glue, you can put it around out everywhere. Over the bottom, but I guess I do have enough, so I'll just spread it where I am doing this. So, I'm trying not to do this. Put the whole bottom connections right off. So there's glue connections. There is water in there. I'm trying to tiny bit more glue. Tiny bit more glue. I don't have a clue why I'm whispering. So I'm putting a little bit more glue. And Mom's not here. She won't know it's time. So, there. Put some glue in there. It looks really cool, like there's glue on the bottom and you just start stirring it. It looks really weird. But actually it's really fine. The glitter's actually showing up. I'm just going to put the lid up. Water. So this is what I'm going to do. First, put up with water. Really hard, so don't get it off the water. And there's a water right there. I'm done for now. I'm going to do one more. It's just sticking and teeny. So yeah. I don't want to do that. Yes, I just got my dry. Okay. was doing the bottom and you start doing it and it's like swirl. Swirling. It's so cool. So cool when you start. And look at that's what I won. It has measurements in it, not all of them do. Mine does. Like it's measurements inside a cup. 1 to 5. So I do this like a little bit at a time. I don't know if it's going to start showing something. It is working, I think. Yeah, it's working. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay, I think I gotta open that today. I didn't know it's actually forming slime, guys. It's actually forming slime. This is lotion flour glue water detergent. I wonder how it will feel when I'm going to play with it. I don't know if it's actually going to turn out. Sometimes it'll act like it's turning out and then it won't turn out. I'm pretty sure this will turn out. But yeah, I'll do a video on playing on with this if it turns out. It looks like it is turning out, but it's kind of not. It's gonna be green, and that's okay. I don't care. I don't care if it's like color I'm spraying. I just don't know how many times I have enough. It actually works. It looks like it's working. Look, guys, it looks like it's working, but it's actually not. I don't know. I'm not sure. Drops of my treasure. It looks like it is. It isn't. Kind of not. In the bowl, it does look like it's coming together. And if you feel it, then it's not good. Coming together. Yeah. This is mommy has my mom has another one. She has like a full bottle. She's just using this one so I can use it. Because she has a whole nother like a full bottle. So. So I don't know if it's actually gonna turn out. Just hope it does. Very gently adding it in. It actually looks like it, but it actually it doesn't feel like it. It's a problem. That's okay. Add a few more. I'm just gonna do this a few more times. Add the detergent in, and then a few more times, then I'll start using it in my hands so it can come together. It should come together because there's glue in it. If it has glue water in it, it usually comes together. This doesn't really look like it's going to come together. I don't know if it is. It's coming together. It's still a little sticky. Okay, what is it? On the other chair? This side chair? Okay. stop sticking in the bowl. It's actually ready. Stop sticking. That's how you know slime is ready. Stop sticking to the bowl. Now it's ready. Stop sticking in the bowl. It's still there. And the bowl doesn't work together. And my hand. It feels so weird. My camera feels so weird. It's like so moisturizing and so weird. It is really so weird. It actually is really moisturizing. In my hand, it's really, really moisturizing. It has lotion in it. And lotion is moisturizing. And it feels so cool. I'm not going to keep it in the bowl. I'll put it in a bag. Everything in it's so cool. I'm so clean. Really clean. That's the part I wanted it to turn off to keep doing. Yeah, I wanted it to turn off green, so that's why I didn't get any food coloring. But my green food coloring is out. So I don't have anything food coloring. So I don't know what I've got this food coloring. But I do have a lot of green slime. But yeah. I'm gonna go wash my hands real fast, and I will be back. Well, actually, I'm gonna wash my hands when I'm done. I'm gonna get even dirtier, so it doesn't really matter. I'm getting dirty now. I mean, I'm supposed to anyway, but still, when I'm getting it dirty when I'm done. So when I'm clean with it, so, like, it ain't sticking in the bowl, but when you start to play with it, it will. Okay, and then what? And then just one more spoonful. The baby life spoonful. The spoonful. If I say spoonful, I mean the baby life spoonfuls. So actually, guys, now you can try this. Just watch this video again and watch it. It's so moisturizing. I can't wait till it doesn't stick. It just needs to let it dry. Every time you make, you need to let it dry before you do it. I think only 12 minutes. You can get this done in 12 minutes. Yeah. So, I'm going to wash my hands, because then I can see if it actually is really sticking to me. Yeah. I'm going to go see some comes off so easy. Comes off so easy because it's moisturizing. If your hands are really stiff, makes fun. If your hands are stiff, like in the morning, hands need lotion. Take this line everywhere you go. You move my cheek a little bit, rub it on your hands. Because this does have lotion. I'll tell you, okay, so how you make it before. How you made it, like, not with, before I added the water and detergent. All you had to do is just add lotion, flour, and a little bit of just that much water. That's all I added. And I had the water, and the detergent, and a little bit more detergent. Then 1040, okay, I'm color. So, yeah, I'm going to stir this up and put it in my hand. I'm really scared to play with it. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. I'm just putting my hand in detergent just to get it used to. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I have to get a baggie and let it dry, and it should be like great. This is mint. I'm gonna call this mint. I mean all my friends, yeah. So this is so cool. So guys, I'm just gonna go get a baggie, put it away. So, bye guys, thanks for watching.